Hello everyone, this is your Daily Dose of Internet. This monkey can't understand how this leaf disappeared from this guy's hand.
Besties, I just got off work, so don't look up here.
Dude, what the?
I just found out that there's a professional pillow fighting league. It's basically the same thing as boxing, but with pillows instead.
That they represent. And unlike your common combat sports, there is no testing that left arm to block. He's leaving himself.
So I can see if there's any funny bits.
I'm honestly pretty impressed because this guy didn't even blink one time. One of my subscribers saw a mama duck with only one duckling. He thought it was very strange to only have one duckling and thought something might be wrong. He was right, as it turns out the others fell down a drain. So they asked for help and someone came to scoop them out.
That is beautiful.
That's the end of this video. Hopefully I made your day just a little better, and I'll see you guys again very, very soon. Later.